Broker's mobile app versus desktop. Want to know the differences between the Interactive Brokers mobile app and desktop? Let's break it down fast. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll explain how to use the Interactive Brokers mobile app compared to the desktop platform, so you can choose what fits your trading style best. Step 1. Download and install the Interactive Brokers mobile app from your device's app store. Step 2. Log in using your existing Interactive Brokers credentials. Step 3. The mobile app offers quick access to account balances, market data, and trading. It's great for trading on the go. Step 4. The desktop platform provides advanced trading tools, in-depth charting, and customizable layouts perfect for detailed analysis. Step 5. Use the mobile app for quick trades, portfolio checks, and alerts. Step 6. Use the desktop when you need full features like advanced order types, research, and extensive account management. Step 7. Both sync in real time so your data is always up to date no matter which device you use. Quick tip: customize notifications on both platforms to stay updated without missing important trades. Like this guide, subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more trading tips, and share your experience with Interactive Brokers below. Thanks for watching. Voiceover script: how to place a limit order on Interactive Brokers. Want to control your trade prices on Interactive Brokers? Here's how to place a limit order on the TWS platform. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you step-by-step how to set up a limit order on Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation so you can buy or sell stocks at your preferred price. Step 1. Log into the Trader Workstation TWS desktop platform. Step 2. Search for the stock or asset you want to trade using the search bar. Step 3. Click Buy or Sell to open the order entry window. Step 4. Select Limit as the order type from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Enter your desired limit price, the maximum price to buy or minimum price to sell. Step 6. Enter the quantity of shares or contracts you want to trade. Step 7. Review the order details carefully. Step 8. Click Submit to place the limit order. The order will only execute if the market price meets your limit price. Step 9. Monitor your order status in the Orders tab. Quick tip: use limit orders to avoid paying more than you want or selling for less than your target price. Found this helpful? Like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more trading tutorials. Drop your questions below. Thanks for watching.